So given that we only had a few days, and then now looking back on this hunt, I just can't believe how it went down. We rolled in about probably 6:30, 7 o'clock, and then we just went straight to this little spot to go sight in the gun. We threw a red dot on the gun, which I'd never used a red dot before, so that was pretty cool to just kind of see what that was all about. So I had a lot of confidence after sighting the gun in last night. We were really hoping that we could get a little jump on the birds by hearing them and being able to pinpoint a little bit closer to where they were at so we could set up on there in the morning, but we didn't have that luxury. So we went back, set up camp, and slept in the tent. I think it got down to like 29 or 28 degrees. We had planned to get up at 4:30, and I don't think we got up until about 5. Just, it was a little hard to get out of that sleeping bag with it being so cold, is my excuse.
Come out on that right edge. Any minute. There they are. See them? Kill them when you can. Swing up and kill one. Kill one. Just get on her and kill him. Now. What? Why not? Okay, slowly work up. Slowly work up and shoot one. Slowly work up and shoot one. Just keep moving. Just keep going, keep going, keep going and get them. Keep going. Keep going. Get on them and shoot them. Kill them. Yeah, buddy! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Bam!
When that dot lined up with the bird, and it was just like this holy moment of like, I don't even know, it was just like everything was right. And I just like, that was just the, I don't know, it was the moment.
I can't believe that.
And it was just like, this is when you pull the trigger. It was just like, I don't know how else to describe that moment. It was just the smoothest, like it couldn't have gone any better. Yeah, I guess I was a little nervous. I didn't really know what to expect, but at the least I was just excited to be out here. And bird aside, I mean, it's just great to be in the outdoors right now. Just being outside and being with a buddy, and it was just a lucky morning, and everything just played out the way, you know, you'd envision it to, which is way more than I was hoping for and way more than I could ask for. So that being said, I probably will spend a fair amount of time out in the field in the future, paying my dues and not having any luck at all. So I think it's all going to balance out in the end.